Hello dear children, welcome back to science class. Today's class we are going to begin with the 9th chapter, Light. Before we get into this chapter, let's think of a small activity. During the night time, get into your room, close all the doors and windows in your room and then turn off the light. Now look around and see. Will you be able to see anything that is there around you? No, this is not possible. We see complete darkness around us, isn't it? Yes. Now turn on the light. Again, look around and see. Are you now able to see things around you? Yes, we will be able to see. Why do you think this has happened? Yes, we are able to see things around us with the help of light. So, what is this light? Let's see that now. Light is a form of energy which helps us to see various things that are there around us. Anything that gives us light are called sources of light. There are two types of sources of light. So the two types of sources are natural light and artificial light. Now let us see what is this natural light and artificial light. First, let us begin with natural light. Natural objects that give out light are called natural sources of light. There are various things that are there around us that is present in nature that gives us light, isn't it? Yes. So such objects that are naturally present on earth and those that are able to give out light are called natural sources of light. Now, how do you think that we are able to see things around us during the daytime? Yes, we all know that we are able to see things around us during the daytime with the help of sunlight, isn't it? Yes, so sun gives us light. So sun is an example of a natural source of light. Same like that, we get light from stars, glowworms and fireflies. So these are examples of some objects that are naturally present on earth and it gives out light. So they are all called natural sources of light. Now let us see what are artificial sources of light. Just opposite to natural sources of light, human-made or man-made objects that give out light are called artificial sources of light. There are various things that are there around us that are made by human beings that give out light. Such substances are called artificial sources of light. Yes, we all know that when we turn on a switch, a bulb glows, isn't it? Yes. So bulb gives us light. So bulb is an example of a man-made object or a human-made object that gives out light. Same like that, a tube light, torch, like how we have seen a bulb, burning candle and fire. These are all examples of human-made objects that give out light, which means these are artificial sources of light. So we get light from these objects because these objects are all made by human beings. So these are artificial sources of light. Now let us learn what are luminous objects and non-luminous objects. There are various things around us which are able to give us light. So such objects that give us light are called luminous objects. We have just learned many examples of objects, both natural objects and artificial objects that can give us light. So all these objects are examples of luminous objects. Some of the examples are, as you see here, sun. Sun gives us light. Therefore, it is a luminous object. Same like that, when a bulb glows, it gives us light. So bulb is also an example of a luminous object. Other examples are fire, stars, torch, etc. So including both natural objects and artificial objects. Those objects that give us light are called luminous objects. So what are non-luminous objects? Just opposite to luminous objects, non-luminous objects are those objects that do not give us light. Some of the examples of non-luminous objects are, as you see here, a pen or a pencil, table, chair, a book. All these are objects that do not give us light. Therefore, they are called non-luminous objects. Now, what do you think of moon? Is that a luminous object or a non-luminous object? Moon is a non-luminous object. This is because moon does not give us light on its own. It actually reflects the light of sun. Therefore, moon is an example of a non-luminous object. Same like that, what do you think of mirror? Is that a luminous object or a non-luminous object? Just like how we have seen in the case of a moon, a mirror also reflects light. It does not give light on its own. Therefore, it is another example of a non-luminous object. So we have now learned what is light, what are the sources of light, natural light and artificial light, what are the natural sources of light and what are the artificial sources of light. We have also learned luminous and non-luminous objects with their examples.